KL. Nag-isip lang kami ng name with start K and L.
Tsaka unique, Kalia.
Leticia.
You've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. You've been changing me.
Favorite niya yung Miss Rachel.
Oo. Naririnig niya lang yung boses. Napapasmile siya.
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, two left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Love's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my hand.
Ayun, sana lagi siyang nakikinig sa nanay niya. Tapos, okay lang maglikot siya. Basta healthy. Magpaka-healthy kami sa kanya, tsaka healthy siya. Lumaki. Yun lang naman.
Never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, two
Sana lumaki siyang hindi lang maganda sa labas, pero lumaki siyang maganda sa panloob. And sana lagi siyang healthy and always.
my head. Come and take my hand.
Happy first birthday, Kali! We love you!
We love you, Ball!